Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the uneven berry stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and how to make the berry stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the uneven berry stitch, but we are looking at the back of my work. The reason being, when you make the berry stitch, it's going to poke out on the other side of your work. So for my swatch, I made little foundation rows between my uneven berry rows, so all of my berries will poke out on the same side. You can see on the row that I had just made, it is all single crochet, so I'm now ready to make an uneven berry row. So on my hook, I have already made one chain. In the first stitch right here, I'm going to make one regular single crochet. Then I'm going to make a berry stitch in the next. I'm going to make a single in this next one. Then I'm going to make another berry stitch in the next one. And you would repeat this for the rest of your row. So that is going to be my uneven berry row so far. There's going to be single crochets in between my berry stitches. I'm going to chain one. I'm going to turn my work. So now you can see how the uneven berry stitch is going to look. And I'm going to work my all single crochet foundation row. So that's going to be my all single crochet foundation row. I'm now ready to make another berry row. I'm going to chain one, turn my work. So with the first berry row, we made one single and then one berry. So to stagger your berries, you're going to start with a berry and then a single and go from there. So in my first stitch, I'm going to make a berry. Then in my next stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet. In my next stitch, I'm going to make a berry. Then a single crochet. I'm going to repeat this for the rest of my row. this is how my uneven berry stitches are looking after having made my first uneven berry row, the little foundation row, and then the next uneven berry row. So what we did on our first uneven berry row, we made a single crochet, then a berry, and then repeated for the rest of our row. Then we did a little foundation row of all single crochet in between. Then our next berry row, we started with a berry and then a single and then repeated that. So for the rest of your project, you would alternate between these two berry rows, and then of course between them you would work your little foundation row. And that is going to be how to make the uneven berry stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.